Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Listen to the video and subscribe. Today's topic is zakat. Zakat is the fourth pillar of Islam and an important obligatory duty. Zakat is an Arabic word which means purification. Through zakat, we purify our wealth. It is a form of worship that is ordained by Allah at various places in the Quran. In Surah Baqarah, verse 43, Allah says, "And be steadfast in salah, prayer, and pay zakat, and bow down with those who bow down." Zakat is a specific amount which is the share of a poor Muslim brother in the wealth. In Surah Baqarah, verse 277, Allah the Almighty says, "Surely those who believe and do good deeds and establish salah and pay the zakah, they will have their reward from their Lord, and there is no fear for them, nor shall they grieve." If a rich Muslim has 7.5 tolas of gold, which is equivalent to 87.48 gram, or 52.5 tolas of silver, which is equivalent to 612.36 gram, or equivalent money, he has to give 2.5% in cash to a poor fellow Muslim. There are different rates of zakat on different types of wealth. A table is given below to find out the rates of nisab and zakat. Types of wealth: nisab amount, payable zakat, and then rate of zakat. Cash or trading goods or silver more than the value of 595 gram of silver, 2.5% zakat is payable. On gold more than 85 gram, 2.5% zakat. Mineral products any amount, 20% zakat. Agricultural products over 633 kilogram of harvest, rain watered, 10% zakat. Agricultural products artificially irrigated over 633 kilogram of harvest, 5%. When one pays zakat, he must have the intention of fulfilling his duty to Allah and expecting the reward for this in the hereafter. But those who will not pay zakat, Hazrat Abu Huraira narrates that Holy Prophet ﷺ said, "The wealth of the person who has been blessed with wealth and does not pay out zakat will on the day of judgment come before him in the shape of a poisonous cobra. Its venom will cause the hair of its head to fall, and there will be two white spots above its eyes. The cobra will then entwine itself around his neck and then hold his mouth and tell him, 'I am your wealth.'" This is in Sahih Bukhari, and this is the punishment for those who will not pay zakat. Now, zakat is paid annually to the following recipients. Number 1, the poor and destitute. Number 2, captives to free themselves. Number 3, travelers without sufficient means. Number 4, those who are in debt. Number 5, those who are engaged to collect zakat if they need it. Number 6, institutions, organizations that work for the cause of Allah, especially for sick people or handicapped people. Number 7, state authorities who collect zakat for its fair distribution. Zakat is the best possible economic system by which all members of society can lead a prosperous life. There are some etiquettes of zakat. Number 1, it should be paid out from halal income, not from haram. Number 2, if some article is being given as zakat, it should be good and new. Number 3, there is no reward for showing off. It should be given purely with the intention of pleasing Allah and receiving reward from Him. And number 4, one should remember that giving zakat, that is not a favor, but one is merely fulfilling his duty. And number 5 is zakat should be given without informing the person that it is from zakat. This may hurt the feeling of self-respect of the recipient. Our wealth is given to us by Allah the Almighty, and He can take it back whenever He wishes. Hence, one should constantly do good deeds so that He remains pleased with us. He has given us an excellent religion of Islam which teaches us to continuously work for the benefit and well-being of all human beings. Now, the benefits of zakat. When we give zakat, we gain genuine pleasure and we are drawn towards doing good deeds. Number two, by amassing wealth, man becomes miserly and he gets involved in the love of wealth. Zakat is ordained so as to end this inordinate love of money and material things. Number three, by giving zakat, a person gets used to giving for the cause of Allah the Almighty. Number four, by the act of giving zakat, one develops compassion and sympathy for our Islamic brothers. On the other hand, the needy recipient also develops feeling of love and sympathy, thus fellow feeling and rapid grows brotherhood in society. Number five, wealth grows as a result of giving zakat. Allah the Almighty says that if you give anything in His way, He will reward you with 70 times the amount. Zakat is a system of Islam meant for the uplift of the deprived. Allah assures the rich that paying of zakat will not decrease their wealth, and Allah will increase it from 70 to 700 times more. May Allah give us the upper hand to fulfill all our duties.